Yeah, good evening, friends. Myself, Dr. Seshadri. I have 18 years of teaching experience. I am AWS certified trainer at associate level. See, friends, this is 40 days of the training session. Once you registered the course, then every day class recording videos you got it, and every day class material you got. And at the end of the training, you got AWS interview questions and answers you got it, and also AWS terms. That is, when you are prepared and you are attempting the global certification exams, like foundation level or the associate level, then how questions are asking, how the answers, that is all those things I am providing in the AWS terms around 800 pages. And whatever I explained each and every day, the screenshot explanation also I am providing at the end of the training. Fine. Yesterday, I explained that what content I have covered in my training program. And also in the yesterday session, I started the basics of cloud computing. Basics of cloud computing in the yesterday session, I have completed. Basics of cloud computing, I completed. Fine. And also in yesterday session, I explained what are advantages of cloud computing. What are the advantages of the cloud computing? And in the yesterday session, I also explained the concepts. That is, what are the different types of clouds are there, or we also call it as the deployment models. Types of clouds or the deployment models. There are four types of clouds are there. Four types of clouds are there: public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and the community cloud, right? And also in the yesterday session, I explained that the three types of cloud delivery models I have to explain. The three types of delivery models are infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. So those delivery models also I explained in the last session. That is in the yesterday demo session. Fine. In the last session also I explained the AWS global infrastructure. AWS global infrastructure. See, in the AWS global infrastructure, how many AWS regions are there and how many availability zones are there? That's in the last session. I explained the AWS global infrastructure. Fine. Now, today's session, see friends, one of the friend is asking, that is Eshu is asking, sir, this is the first day of my session. No problem. No problem. Then yesterday recorded session video will be available in the YouTube channel. In DurgaSoft YouTube channel, you got it. See that this is the link. See, DurgaSoft. Here you got it. Yesterday demo session link. Yes. This one.
Imagine this.
Yes. This is the link you got. This is yesterday what I explained in the last session. Right? This is the link. I'll send the link to your chat box. This is the yesterday session link. Okay, that is uploaded in the DurgaSoft YouTube channel. In the yesterday session, I explained what content I have to cover and also the basics of cloud computing and AWS global infrastructure I have covered in the yesterday session. Okay, I'll send it in the chat box. Yesterday demo session link. Okay, just wait. I can check. I'll send the demo session links. This is the demo videos link. Fine. Issue. Clear? Fine. Fine. Now, today's session, I have to explain. I explain the concepts is how to create AWS free tier account. AWS free tier account. But then, what are the steps we have to follow? See, to create your AWS account, the three things are required. One is your credit card or debit card. Or debit card. Second one is your mail ID is required. Third one is your mobile number is required. Your mobile number is required. These three things are required to create your AWS free tier account. See, if you are creating AWS free tier account, it is providing 12 months of the free service it is provided. See, what are the free tier limitations also I explained today's session. And then after completion of the AWS free tier account creation, I explained today's session how to launch and connect the Linux server using EC2 service. And also in this session, I explained how to launch and connect the Windows server using EC2 service. Using the EC2 service, I have to explain. Fine. First, I have to explain how to create AWS free tier account. And then after completion of this explanation, it's taking 10 to 15 minutes only to create your AWS free tier account. I have to explain it. And then I have to explain how to launch and connect your Linux server using EC2 service, how to launch and connect the Windows server using EC2 service. Fine. Now, first I have to explain how we are creating AWS free tier account. To create your AWS free tier account, those are the three things are required. One is credit card or debit card. Second one is your mail ID is required. Third one is your mobile number is required. Fine. So to explain this, already I prepare the material. Already I have the AWS free tier account is there. That's why I am not created right now. That is, I have to explain with the help of the screenshots. I have to explain how we have to create your AWS free tier account. So in today's session, I have to explain the remaining concepts with hands-on. Fine. To create your AWS free tier account, you have to follow the link is this one. I'll send it in the chat box, friends. This is the link we have to use to create your AWS free tier account. To create your AWS free tier account. See, when you are click on this link, see, this is signing up. You need to enter your mail ID. That is your root user email address you need to enter it. And then you have to enter AWS account name. See, while given the AWS account name, it is given unique, we have to give it. And then we have to click on verify email address. Whatever the mail ID you are given, for that mail, one OTP you have to receive. One OTP we have to receive. Whatever the OTP you are received to your mail ID, that OTP you need to enter it here. You need to enter it here. And then we have to click on verify option. Right? What you are done, that is here, you have to click on this link. Then you need to enter your mail ID. And then we have to enter your AWS account name. See, well, given your AWS account name, it's unique. That is, account name must be unique. If you click on verify email address, then whatever the mail ID you are given, to your mail ID, you got the code you are received. That is the verification code you are received. That is one OTP you are receiving. Whatever the OTP you are received to your mail ID, that you need to enter it here. That here you need to enter it here. You need to enter it here and then click on verify option. Fine. Have to scroll down. Then it is asking the password. That is in your AWS account, what is the password you are given? And again, we have to confirm the password. See, friends, while given your AWS account password, those steps we have to follow. See, the password length is the minimum 8 characters. Minimum is 8 characters. It contains the combination of these three things. Uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and the alphanumeric. Combination of these three, we have to give the password. The length is minimum is 8 characters. Like that, we have to enter the password. And then click on continue option. Whenever you are enter the password and you are confirming the password, click on continue option. Then it is asking that your details. That is, how do you plan to use your AWS account? For business or personal? You have to select personal, right? And then you need to enter your details. You have to enter your name, full name you have to enter. You enter your mobile number. You have to choose your country name, enter the address, city, state, and the postal pin code, and we have to enable this one, and then click on continue option. That is, in this step, it is asking your details, it is asking, right? After enter your details, then you have to see that it is asking your card details, your credit card or debit card details, it is entered. That is, Visa card is accepting, Rupee card is not accepting. Credit cards are accepted. See, some private bank cards they are accepting to create your AWS retail account. See, you have to enter your card number and the card expiration month you have to specify. Year also we have to specify. Then here you need to type the card holder name. And if you turn on other side, the CVV number is there, the 3-digit number, that's we have to enter. And use the contact address here, right? Use my contact address. Fine. You have the PAN card, you have to click on yes option, otherwise we have to click on no option. Then we have to click on verify and continue. That is, we have to enter in this step the card details, expiration month and date we have to specify, card holder name you have to give it, and the CCV number, CVV number you need to enter. There is a 3-digit number, and then you have to click on verify option. You have the PAN card, give yes option, and you have to give the details of the PAN card. If no, then no problem at all. Click on verify and continue option. Then you have to scroll down. Then once you enter the card details, to your mobile, you receive one OTP. Then if you are enter the OTP, then to your to your bank account, the 2 rupees will be deducted. 2 rupees will be deducted. So after 24 hours, the 2 rupees will be credited to your account. Why the 2 rupees is deducted to your account is for verification and the confirmation purpose. To your bank account, the 2 rupees will be deducted, and then we have to, after entering the OTP, click on submit option. Then to your account, 2 rupees is deducted. Within 24 hours, your 2 rupees will be credited to your bank account, right? That's for verification purpose. The 2 rupees will be deducted. Fine. After that, again, you need to confirm your identity. To confirm your identity, you have to use the text message or you may use voice call. That's as per your requirement, we have to choose it. I am choosing the text message, I am choosing. Then you need to select the region or the country code. That's we have to enter it. You have to choose it. Again, you need to enter your mobile number. And then whatever the security check it is appeared, not this screen, in your screen while creating your AWS account, whatever the security check it is appeared in your screen, that security check you need to type it. And then click on send SMS. Click on send SMS. Then again confirm your identity in this step. After completion of this, then you have to enter the verification code. Whatever the code you are received to your mail ID, whatever the code you are received to your mobile number, that verification code you need to enter it and then click on continue option. Click on continue option. Fine. Then after that, you need to choose the plans. That is basic support. It's free, it is providing 12 months of the free service it is providing. Suppose you are chosen developer support, per month you need to pay $29. Suppose if you are chosen the business support, per month you need to pay $100 per month. $100 per month. See, even for practicing purpose, you need to choose free tier, you have to select it. Basic support free, you need to select it. Then you have to click on complete sign up process. Then you are getting congratulations, you are created your AWS account. Then go to AWS Management Console. Go to AWS Management Console. And also we have to fill this one. You have to enter your role. That's we have to click on this arrow mark and then we have to select your role and your interested area, whatever the interested area, we have to select this arrow mark, and your interested area, we have to select it, and then click on submit option. Then your AWS account is created. AWS account will be created. See, already I have the AWS free tier account is there. That's why I am not creating the AWS free tier account. See, how I have to log in the AWS free tier account. I have to click on AWS Management Console, sign into the console. Already I have the AWS free tier account is there. Then, see friends, sign in, root user or IAM user. Every day we have to select the root user. After 20 days or 25 days, I'm using the IAM user also. I'll tell you how we have to create IAM user. I'll tell you in the upcoming sessions. IAM concept is there. On IAM concept, I have to explain how you have to create IAM user, how we have to create the users group, how we have to create custom policy, how we have to create the roles, right? All those concepts I have to explain in upcoming session. Right now, after completion of creation of your AWS free tier account, you have to sign in every time using the root user. Now I entered my mail ID. I have to enter whatever the mail ID you are given at the time of creation of your AWS account. That mail ID only we have to give it. And then click on next option. You have to enter the password. Click on sign in. This is my AWS account. See friends, this is my AWS account. AWS account. This is my AWS account name. Those are recently visited services in my AWS account. Those are recently visited services in my AWS account. See friends, see friends, see friends, right? See, if we click on this arrow mark, those many reasons which are supported in my AWS free tier account. See how it is providing the AWS globally their services through their data centers. Yesterday session I explained that AWS global infrastructure. How many reasons are there in the AWS global infrastructure? That's in the yesterday session I explained. See friends, that is in the AWS introduction. This is the link I am providing. This link will helps you the AWS global infrastructure. How many launched regions are there? To globally, 33 launched regions are there, each region with multiple availability zones. So with the help of their data centers only, they provide the services throughout globally. That is total throughout globally 33 launched regions are there and 105 availability zones are there. 105 availability zones are there. If you scroll down these, that is 105 availability zone throughout the worldwide and within the 33 geographic regions are there. They are announced that they need to upgrade, that is in upcoming 21 more availability zones they are planning and 7 more regions they are planning in the countries Malaysia, Mexico, New Zealand, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Thailand, Taiwan and the European countries. See, if you scroll this is your AWS global infrastructure diagrammatically it is showing. See friends, these green color circles which are representing that is already existed regions. Our Mumbai region is there, Hyderabad is also there. Those are nothing but the green color circles which are represented, the existed regions which are represented. But also see friends, the red color mark which is there, they are upcoming regions. That's they have mentioned that. That is 7 more AWS regions in Malaysia, Mexico, New Zealand, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Thailand, and European countries. They are planning to upgrade their data centers, establish their data centers. Mexico is there, and here Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is there, and here this one is also there, right? Germany is also there, right? Here Thailand is also there, upcoming region. This is also there, right? So those are nothing but the upcoming regions which are represented, the red color circles which are represented. Fine. Yesterday session I explained the AWS global infrastructure. See, in my AWS account, those many regions which are supported, North Virginia region in my AWS free tier account, California, Mumbai region, Singapore region, Sydney region, Canada Central region, Europe region, those many regions which are supported in my AWS account. See, if we scroll down at the bottom, they are upcoming regions, right? Which is showing. See, you may use any reason, all the services will be work. See, What I am doing is every day I am selecting nearby my area. I am there in Hyderabad. I am selecting the nearby region. I am selecting the Mumbai region. Hyderabad is there, but it is in under progress. See that at the bottom it is showing. At the bottom it is showing. It's in under progress. Now in my area nearby the region I am selecting that the Mumbai region I am selecting. Mumbai region I am selecting. Now in this session I want to launch the Linux server. First, I have to explain the Windows server. I have to explain. If time is there, I have to launch and connect the Linux server also. Fine. First, I have to explain how to launch and connect the Windows server using the EC2 service. See, friends, what is the EC2 service? EC2 stands for the Elastic Cloud Computing. EC2 stands for Elastic Cloud Computing. Using the EC2, we have to launch the Linux server. We have to launch Ubuntu server. You have to launch the Red Hat Linux server. You have to launch the SUSE Linux server. You have to launch the Windows server. That is, you are launching the Linux server and you are balancing the load also. You are creating the security group also using the EC2 service. See, those are recently visited services in my AWS account. In my AWS account, those are recently visited services. See, friends, those are recently visited services. See, to launch your Windows server, you have to select the EC2 service, or here on the search box you have to type it EC2. You have to select it here. Or here at the top left side services option is there. Under we have to select compute service. Under we have to select the EC2 service. Fine. Already one key pair is there. I can delete it. Then you can understand very easy. I'm deleting just now. In the previous session, I'm deleting one key. See, in the previous session, I'm creating one security group. This is the security group I am created. Default one, you don't delete it. I'm deleting the security group. Fine. Just refreshing the browser. See friends. In this session, I want to create Windows server using EC2 service. For that, what I am doing first, I have to select the region. I am selecting the region. What is the region I am selecting? I am selecting the region is Mumbai region I am selecting. Then you need to select the EC2 service. You need to select the EC2 service. How you are selecting the EC2 service? Here on left side, services option is there. Under you have to select the compute service. Under you need to select the EC2 service. Fine. See, after that, here on left side of the EC2 service, first we have to check the EC2 dashboard. How many instances are running? Instant or the mission or the server, all are the same terminals. See, how many instances are running in my Mumbai region? 0. How many instances are there? One instance is there. In backend, it will be terminated, but here in front end, it is showing after before 15 minutes I am creating. That's why it is not deleted, right? It's taking some time, half an hour or some time, right? Right now, there is no instances are running. How many key pairs are there? 0. One security group is there. That is nothing but the default security group is there. See that. How many volumes are there? 0. Fine. Now, in this session, I want to launch and connect the Windows server. How to launch and connect the Windows server? See, here in EC2 service, on left side, instances option is there. Now, we have to click on launch instant option. You have to click on launch instance option. That is, to create the instant, you have to select, click on launch instant. See, I'm given the instant name is, that is Windows Server 101 I am. Copy this instant name and we have to paste it here in the notepad for recording purpose. Fine. Next. After giving the instant name, then you need to select the operating system image. OS image is nothing but the operating system image. In this session, which server you need to launch it? The Windows server. That's why which operating system you need to select it? Windows. Operating system image or Amazon mission image. In the short format, it is represented as AMI. AMI is nothing but the Amazon mission image. See, you are launching in this session the Windows server. That's why you need to select the operating system is Windows. We have to select it. See, what is AMI? It is represented here. The AMI is a template that contains software configuration, which includes operating system, application server, and the applications required to launch your instance. But then you are selecting the operating system image or the AMI, Amazon mission image. In this session, you are launching the Windows server. That's why I am selecting the operating system is Windows I am selecting. See, we have to click on this arrow mark. See, some of them are mentioned right side free tier eligible. I have to scroll down. It is not mentioned the free tier. Means they are the free tier. They are not the free tier eligible one. It is the paid version. See, you are for practicing purpose, you have to select the free tier. You have to select the free tier. See, after select the launch instance, you have to select the operating system image. Operating system image is nothing but what? AMI. AMI is nothing but what? Amazon mission image. Amazon mission image. See, what is the operating system image I am selecting? Windows I am selecting. Windows I am selecting. Fine. Then the next step, I am choosing the free tier eligible one. Then it is showing the AMI ID. Amazon mission image ID it is showing. Fine. Then see in any server, the three things are required. The three things are nothing but one is a CPU is required. CPU is required. Second one is memory. Memory. How much memory it is required? That is for the server. Memory. And then the hard disk. Hard disk. These three things are required in any server. In any server. See, here the next step is we have to select the instant type. We have to select the instant type. Select the instant type. See friends. See friends. See that what it is providing the instant type. Instant type it is providing how many CPUs you need it, how much RAM capacity you need it. That is it is providing the instant type. See, you have to click on compare instant type. Which reason I am selecting? Mumbai reason I am selecting. You have to click on compare instant types option is there. See friends, how many instant types are there in the Mumbai region? How many instant types are there in the Mumbai region? This is the Mumbai region. How many instant types are there in the Mumbai region? 538 instant types are there. See, as per your business needs, we have to select the instant type. What it is providing the instant type is instant type which provides how many CPUs, how much memory, and what is the network performance. It is providing the instant types. See, in Mumbai region, 538 instant types are there. Suppose if we are selecting T2.2 extra large, how many CPUs it is providing? 8 CPUs it is providing. How much memory it is providing? 32 GB memory it is providing. But the storage type, it's not mentioned. Network performance is moderate, it is providing. Start to scroll down. If you are selecting C4.large, it is providing 2 CPUs, 3.75 GB memory, moderate network performance it is providing. If we are selecting C4.extra large, 4 CPUs it is providing, 7.5 GB memory it is providing, network performance is high. Accordingly, you are getting bill, no doubt about it. That's why, see, you are for practicing purpose, you need to select T2.micro. T2.micro, it is providing 12 months of the free service it is providing. That is per month 750 hours free service it is providing. What it is providing is 1 CPU it is providing, 1 GB memory it is providing. See, in the Mumbai region, I am selecting T2.micro. It is providing the free service. See, I had to click on, that's why I am saying that the T2.micro, it is nothing but it's the instant type issue. Instant type, it is providing how many CPUs it is required, how much memory it is required as per your needs, as per your business requirement, you have to select the instant type. See, in Mumbai region, 538 instant types are there. As per your business requirement, we have to select the instant type. If we are selecting other than T2.micro, then we are getting bill. See the T2.micro, it is providing the free service, 12 months of the free service it is providing. Per month, 750 hours free service it is providing. See, I'll show you what are the free services it is providing in free tier account. You have to click on launch instant type. See, I am selecting the instant type is T2.micro. It is providing how many CPUs? Here it is also mentioned 1 CPU. How much memory it is providing? 1 GB memory it is providing. Fine. See friends, see in this link, in this AWS introduction, after the global infrastructure, I am providing the free tier link also. See, I have to open this one. I copy this link. I'll send it to your chat box also. This link is providing the AWS free tier limitations which is provided. I have to scroll down. You are creating the AWS free tier account. How many months it is providing the free service? 12 months it is providing the free service. I have to scroll down. It is showing the details. See the EC2 service. How many months it is providing the free service? 12 months. Per month, 750 hours it is providing the free service. Next, storage. How much months it is providing the free service? 12 months. How much storage it is providing? 5C. RDS. 12 months it is providing the free service. RDS is nothing but the relational database service. Per month it is providing 750 hours. Per month it is providing the free service. See, the 750 hours is nothing but it is providing the managed relational database service for MySQL, PostgreSQL, MariaDB or the SQL server. 750 hours of Amazon RDS single availability zone. For the instances db.t2.micro, db.t3.micro and db.t4g.micro instances are running the free service. If you are selecting here the EC2 service also, it is mentioned that. See friends, here it is mentioned here. See, that is see in this one 750 hours per month of Linux. The instant type it is providing T2.micro or T3.micro. That depends on the region. See, if I am selecting the Mumbai region, if T2.micro it's not available, then we may select T3.micro. It is providing the free service. That depends on the region. The T3.micro or T2.micro, it is providing the free service. If T2.micro, which is not available on the particular region, then you may use the T3.micro. It is providing the free service. If we are selecting the Windows server also, T3.micro or T2.micro, they are providing the free service. That is in detail, it is providing the free tier limitations. 750 hours per month, it is providing the free service. 12 months, it is providing the free service, the EC2 service. Like that, you have to scroll down. Database, DynamoDB, 25 GB it is providing. Always it is providing the free service. SageMaker, 2 months it is providing. It's a free trial. Only 2 months it is providing. After that, the paid version. For machine learning, we have to use the SageMaker. Lambda service, always it is providing the free service. See, artificial intelligence, always free. Right. SNS, always free. It is providing the free services. And also I have mentioned that the free tier limitations also. Here, you have to click on this one also. It is providing the CloudWatch. Like that, it is providing all the details on that link. What are the free tier limitations are there? So accordingly, I am selecting while launching the Windows server. I am selecting the instant type is T2.micro. I am selecting. If I am selecting T2.micro, how many CPUs it is providing? 1 CPU. How much memory it is providing? 1 GB memory it is providing. Yes, sure. That is, we can store your data also in the bucket. That is 5 GB data. Okay. Okay, you can ask the questions later. Just I have to complete this one. Windows server, how to launch and connect the Windows server. Fine. Now I am selecting the instant type. I am selecting the instant type is T2.micro. It is providing 1 CPU, 1 GB memory. It is providing. Fine. See, in any server, to connect this, you need the key pair it is required. See, if already existed key pairs are there, we have to select the existed key pairs. Otherwise, I need to create the new key pair. Then we can create the new key pair also. You have to click on the key pair name. I am given the key pair name is, that is the Windows server I am entered. Windows server 101 I am given. 101 key. This is the key pair name. Copy this key pair name and we have to paste it here in the notepad. That is the next step is you need to create the key pair. You need to create the key pair. I am given the key pair name is Windows Server 101 key I am given. Then what is the next step? After creation of the key pair, see the key pair type RSA we have to select it. Private key file format, PEM file format we have to select it. Click on create key pair. Key pair is downloaded in my downloads option with the name Windows Server 101 key PEM file format. It is downloaded. See friends, in my downloads, Windows Server key 101, Windows Server 101 key PEM file, it is downloaded. Fine. Then you have to scroll down. Then the next step is network settings. Click on edit option. See, you have to select the default VPC. The VPC is nothing but virtual private cloud. Right? So then we have to click on network settings. Here we have to click on edit option. Here on edit option, see whatever the default VPC is there, that default VPC we have to create it. Sir, what is VPC is nothing but virtual private cloud. See, this is your AWS account. This is your AWS. It is providing globally their services. How it is providing globally their services? With their data centers. See, in the AWS global, then you are chosen the region. That is, you are chosen the Mumbai region. On that Mumbai region, you are occupied some space. That is nothing but you are creating some VPC you are created. Your own VPC you are created. On your created VPC, you are launching the servers. You are launching the databases, right? That is nothing but on your created space, you have to launch your servers. For that, you are creating your own VPC. Right now, I am not explaining how you are creating the VPC. In upcoming session, I have to explain 6 to 7 days, 6 to 7 hours, I have to explain the VPC concept. Right? Right now, we have to select the default VPC. Fine. See, in Mumbai region, the 3 availability zones are there. 3 availability zones are AP South 1A, AP South 1B, AP South 1C. See, I am not given any preference. Suppose if I am given AP South 1A, my Windows instant will be launched in AP South 1A. If I am selecting AP South 1B, instant will be launched in AP South 1B. If I am not given any preference means my Windows machine can be launched in any one of the 3 availability. Auto assign public IP, the default one, enable it is there. I can provide default one, right? Here in network setting, default VPC I am selecting, subnet preference I am not given, auto assign public IP, that is enabled. Fine. Next, firewall. It's nothing but a security group. It's a set of firewall rules that controls the traffic for your instance. Here, add rules to allow specific traffic to reach your instance. For that, you are creating the security group. See, this is the instance security group name is there. For easily understanding purpose, I am given the security group name is Windows Server 101 STM. Copy this security group name and here we have to paste it here in the description and also we have to paste it here in the notepad. Fine. I have to scroll down. Here you are launch the Windows Server. Default it is providing inbound security group rule. Type it is providing RDP. Port range is 33 it is providing. I have to click on this arrow mark source type. It is providing 3 things. If I am selecting my IP address, only my laptop, I am connecting the Windows machine. If I am selecting custom, then I need to enter the IP address. With that IP address only, my Windows machine will be connected. If I am selecting anywhere, that is, if you know my AWS credentials, if you know my Windows Server PEM file format, if you know my Windows Server PEM file format, then you can connect it in anywhere in the world. That's I am selecting the source type is anywhere I am selecting. See, that is in the network settings. In the network settings, that is you are launching the Windows server. So what is the type it is providing? RDP it is providing. What is the port number? 3389. Tomorrow session I am asking the same question, right? You are launching the Windows server, type it is providing RDP, port number is 3389 it is providing. Fine, scroll down. Now you are launch the Windows server, default it is providing the storage is 30 GB it is providing. How much storage it is providing? 30 GB it is providing. That is in the next step is the storage it is providing the 30 GB. 30 GB storage it is providing. Fine. Scroll down. I am not adding any additional volume of disk. I am not adding any advanced details. Click on launch instant. See at the right side also it is providing the summary details. How many instances you are launching? What is the AMI mission image? While launching the instant, what is the instant type you are selecting? Firewalls, storage, how much it is providing? It is providing the details also for the free tier. That is 750 hours per month it is providing T2.micro or T3.micro. That is if T2.micro it is not available on the particular reason, then we have to use the T3.micro. It is providing 30 GB storage it is providing for the Windows server. Right? Click on launch instant. See the instant is launched in the Mumbai region. That is the last step is we have to click on launch instant. We have to click on launch instant. That is the instant is launched in the Mumbai region. And click on the instances option. That is the Windows server. Windows server. What is the instant state? What is the instant state? See friends, what is the instant state? Pending. What is the instant state? Pending. If you move this scroll bar, it is showing the details. That is, it is showing what is the instant name I am given? Windows server. This is the instant ID. Instant state is pending. I have to scroll down. While launching the instant, what is the instant type I am given? T2.micro. It is providing 1 CPU, 1 GB memory it is providing. I have to scroll down. In the network setting, I am not given any subnet preference. That's why the Windows server, it is launched in the availability zone AP South 1B. Fine. This is the public IPv4 DNS. Public IPv4 for my Windows mission. Monitoring tools I am not using. Security group while launching the mission is Windows Server 101 SG I am given. The key pair name is Windows Server 101 key I am given. This is the launch date and time which is represented. See, if we move this scroll bar, it is showing the details. Now we have to see what is the instant state running. Just wait for 1 or 2 minutes, then the instant state it is showing running. Now, start to select the instant. At the bottom also it is showing the details. That is, it is providing instant ID, same details it is providing. Public IPv4, private IP address, and the instant state, public IPv4 DNS, all the details which are showing at the bottom for your instant. Now I copy the public IPv4 for the Windows server. I paste it here in the notepad. This is the public IP address. This is the public IP address. And I copy the private IP address also. I copy the private IP address also. This is the private IP address of the Windows server. I copy this and paste it here in the notepad. And paste it here in the notepad. Fine. Fine. Now, I want to connect this Windows machine. How can you connect this Windows server? How can you connect this Windows server? I launched this Windows machine in the Mumbai region data center. I launched the Windows server in the Mumbai region data center. The instant state is running. I want to connect this Windows server. How can you connect this Windows server? You have to select the instant or we have to select the mission. Go for the connect option. See, here session manager tab is there, RDP client is there, and EC2 serial console is there. Now I am selecting RDP client. See, you have to copy the public DNS of this Windows server. You have to paste it here in the notepad. This is the public DNS. I have to scroll down. Here the username is for this Windows server administrator. You copy and paste it here in the notepad. Fine. Now to connect this Windows machine, you need the password. See, in your laptop you are using Linux operating system, then you can download the remote desktop file. If you are using Mac operating system, you can download the remote desktop file. See that. This is the remote desktop file is there. With the remote desktop file also, we can connect your Windows machine. See, in my laptop, I am using the Windows operating system. No need to download the remote desktop file. In my laptop, remote desktop connection option is there. This one I am using. This one I am using. If you are using the Windows operating system, in your laptop or desktop, remote desktop connection is there. With that remote desktop connection, you are connecting, you are launch and connecting, you are connecting your Windows machine. That's why I am not downloading this remote desktop file. If we are using Linux operating system, we can download the remote desktop file. If we are using Mac operating system, we can download the remote desktop file, right? And then we can connect the Windows machine. Fine. Now to connect this Windows machine, I need the password. Click on get password option is there. Now, while launch the Windows machine, I am download the keypad type is PEM file format. That PEM file format we have to upload it. Click on upload option. Wherever PEM file format is there in my downloads, we have to select your PEM file. Click on open. Have to scroll down. Click on decrypt password. See, we got the password. I copy this password and paste it here in the notepad. I paste it here in the notepad. Now, how we had to connect? How we had to connect this Windows machine? See, I'm using the Windows operating system. That's why in the search box, I am typing remote desktop connection. I have to open that. Here you need to enter the computer name or the public IP address, or you need to enter the public DNS. This the public DNS is there. I copy this. That's why I paste it here in the notepad. You have to type it here, or the public IP address you need to type it here. See, before connecting, you have to click on show option. Here, local resources option is there. Here, click on more option. Here, you have to check it whether the drivers are enabled or not. Whether the drivers can be enabled, then in your laptop, any drive files can transfer to your connected Windows machine. For that, we have to check it whether the drivers is enabled or not. Click on OK. Drivers are enabled. Now we have to click on connect option. Now it is asking the username. What is the username is there? Administrator. That's we have to copy it, or we have to type it. The username is administrator. Then you need to enter the password. If the single character is missing in the password, then you can't connect the Windows machine. I type it, or you copy and paste it. Click on OK. Click on yes. Now I am connecting the Windows server from Mumbai region data center. See that Windows server is connected from Mumbai region data center. Wait, it's taking some time, 1 or 2 minutes time. 1 or 2 minutes time. See, don't worry about the steps. All the steps I am providing once you register the codes. See that I am providing the material like that I am providing. See the Windows server. See friends, that is what is EC2 instance. Regarding that information I am providing, just 2-3 lines, and then the steps I am providing. See, while launch the Windows server, first you need to select the region. There the Mumbai region we have to select it, and then we have to select the EC2 service, and then we have to click on the launch instant. Here, while launching the instant, you are given the name, that is Windows Server 101, and then we have to select the operating system image. Operating system image is nothing but Amazon machine image. You are launch the Windows server, that's why you need to select the operating system is Windows you are selecting. After completion of the operating system image, then you need to choose the instant type. In Mumbai region, 538 instant types are there. As per your business requirement, you have to select the instant type. See, you are for practicing purpose, that's why you are selecting T2.micro. It is providing 1 CPU, 1 GB memory, it is providing. Fine, that's the instant type we have to select it. After that, to create the key pair. For creating the key pair, the steps are also I am providing. All the steps like that pin to pin I have mentioned. See, I am connecting the Windows machine. See, here on right side, it is showing the details. Host name, instant ID, private IP address, public IP address. While launch the instant, I am selecting the instant type is T2.micro. See, the instant will be launched in AP South 1B. This is the memory, 1 GB memory it is providing. Network type is low to moderate. Here, it is also showing at the top, this is EC2-13-201-194-106. There the IP address can be represented, right? That is, it is showing the details. See, while launching the Windows server, how much storage it is providing? 30 GB. I have to click on File Explorer. See friends, Here click on this PC. See, are you visible the 30 GB storage, 29.9 GB? That's nothing but the 30 GB storage it is providing. For operating system purpose, some space is allocated and the remaining free space it is showing. Remaining free space it is showing. That is, I am launching the Windows server. I am launching Windows server. Then you can do your work on the Windows server. You can do your work on the Windows server. See friends, after completion of your practice, then you need to delete the you need to delete or you need to terminate the instance. You need to terminate the instance. See that in the previous instance will be deleted. Just you have to wait after completion of after terminating, then we have to wait half an hour. Then in the front end also it is deleted. See, you have to click on now EC2 dashboard. EC2 dashboard, how many instances are running? 1. In the previous beginning, while seeing 0 instances. How many key pairs are there in beginning? 0. Now you are created while launching the Windows server, one key pair you are created, that's nothing but the Windows server 101 key you are created. See, this is the key pair. This is the key pair. See, how many security groups are there in the previous? 1. Now you are created, the security group name is, that is Windows server 101 SG you are created. Fine. One default security group is there. In previous, just now while starting the session, how many volumes are there? 0. Now one volume it is created. That is nothing but while launching the Windows server, 30 GB storage it is provided. That is nothing but the root volume. That is nothing but the root volume. See, that is the EC2 dashboard, one instant will be run. See, after completion of your practice, you have to terminate the instant. How we are selecting the terminate the instant is, we have to select the instant. See, go for the instant state. Here in instant state, stop instant is there, terminate instant is there. If we are selecting stop instant and click on stop, then it is nothing but like shutdowning your laptop, shutdowning your desktop. Whenever you are stopping the instant, then automatically this connection will also be closed. This connection will also be closed, right? Right? After 1 hour, after 1 week, or after 1 month, you need to start the instant. Then it's very simple. Just we have to open your AWS account, go to the instances. Your instant is there. Then you have to go for the instant state. Then the start instant will be enabled. See, stop instant it is not enabled. Why? Because it is in the stop state. It's in the stop state. Now we have to click on start instant. Now what is the instant state? Pending. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes, then the instant state can be showing running. Then we can connect our Windows machine using the remote desktop connection. Remote desktop connection. Fine. See, after completion of your practice, we have to terminate it. Terminating is nothing but completely your instant can be terminated from Mumbai recent data center. How we are terminating is, have to select the instant, go for the instant state, terminate instant option is there, click on terminate. First it is shutdowning and then terminated from Mumbai recent data center. See that. First it is shutdown and then terminated from Mumbai recent data center. See, if we click on the EC2 dashboard, refresh the browser, instances running are 0. At the back end, it's immediately deleted. But in the front end, one instant it is shown. See, this will be deleted after half an hour or 1 hour. Then this instant can be deleted. When it is showing, it is not showing after half an hour or 1 hour. One key pair you are created in this session, that's you for key pairs and the security groups, AWS will not be charged. However, for practicing purpose, you need to delete it. You have to open key pair, you have to select the key pair, go for action, click on delete option. Here we have to type it delete. Click on delete option. Then the key pair is deleted. Go for dashboard, refresh it, keep it search. One security group you are created in this session, you want to delete it, select the security group, go for action, click on delete security group, click on delete. Then the security group is deleted. This is the default security group, don't delete the default security group. Fine. You have to refresh it. How many volumes are there? 0. Because you are deleting the instant, that's why the root volume is also deleted. Yes. Yes, issue. Ask your doubt. Issue. Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah, good evening.
sir, good evening, sir. Hello,
Yes,
sir.
audible.
Sir, now you have told that we can able to make a AWS screen in our system. After completing the practice, again if we go back, again we should follow the same steps to log in again to this.
That is, if we are stop the instant, then no need to follow the steps. Just we have to select the instant, go for the start option is there, then your instant will be started.
Okay,
And
sir.
then we have to connect it using the remote desktop connection. Suppose if we are terminating the instant or if you are delete the instant, then on the next day we have to follow the step by step and then we have to connect it. Then only your practice is perfect. That's why I'm saying that after completion of your practice, we have to delete it. On the next day, you need to connect the Windows server or the Linux server. Then we have to follow first step to last step. It's a matter of 2-3 minutes only. While explaining each and every step, I am taking the time is more than half an hour time I am taking. But to connect this, it's a matter of 2-3 minutes seconds. 2-3 minutes only. It's a matter of 2-3 minutes. You can launch and connect your Windows server. You can launch and connect your Linux server. Then only your practice is perfect. Yes, you.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Fine. Anyone have any questions regarding today's session? Regarding today's session? Every day I have to explain step by step each and every services I have to explain. It may taking 45 hours it is taking to complete your training. 40 to 45 hours. That's why I'm taking approximate days I have to mention, approximate hours I have to mention 40. It may taking 45 or 46 or it may be taken 40 hours. Yes, issue. Issue. Raising the hand.
Sir, hello.
Yes,
So
yes.
presently I'm working in one domain, sir, as a Linux administrator.
Okay. Then
Linux administrator. I am
after
working in office right now.
after completion of my training, then you have to attempt the job for the administrator, AWS administrator jobs you apply. Then whatever the salary you are getting, your salary may be double. You can happily apply the administrator jobs, AWS.
Okay, sir. Sir, and one more thing, I don't have any basic knowledge on AWS. So I
That's
so
why,
I'm
that's why you are joined with us.
asking you
That's why
to
you
explain
joined
one
with us.
more time, sir.
What which
Yesterday also I have yesterday also I didn't join the class.
no problem. The demo link is there. Then we have to watch that video. Then you got it. Right?
Okay, okay,
Entire
that's fine,
details.
sir. Okay,
Okay, that's why
okay, sir.
once you register the course, okay, once you register the course, some of them, so students are busy with their work, they are doing some jobs. Then if they are not attending today's session, then tomorrow, then you got the video. Once you register the course, then you can refer the video a number of times. That video will be accessible up to the 6 months after completion of the course.
Sir, is this lifetime video recordings or any time limit?
They are providing the Google Drive link they are sending the 6 months after completion of the training. From the completion of the training date onwards, 6 months they are providing the videos
Okay, okay, right.
unlimited.
Sir, and notes also will be provided in Google link only.
Yes, Google Drive link I am providing. On the
We
Drive
can
link,
able to download the notes, all the
yes,
content from the
yes,
Google Drive.
yes, yes. We can download the notes, but the videos cannot be downloaded. They are not
Okay,
providing
that's
the
right.
downloads option. I am providing
Okay,
the
okay, sir.
material for the downloads option I am providing. Okay, I take care of uploading the material. The DurgaSoft will take care of uploading the videos. Okay. Any questions regarding today's session? Abhishek, Hussein.
How to check the launch instance is healthy or not?
That's we have to see that here. After launching the instant, we have to check it. Yes, this instant will be terminated. Yes. Tomorrow I have to show it. That is in the top, the tabs are the detail tabs is there, status alarm tabs is there, monitoring tabs are there, security tabs are there. On that we have to identify whether the healthy or not. That's we have to identify. Tomorrow we have to see because I am terminating the mission.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. Yeah. Abhishek, any question?
Sir, I have typed in the chat box.
You are send it chat box.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Abhishek is asking the question. Beginner, I have just complete my BTech. Will this course will helpful to get entry level? Yes, perfectly. It will be useful. That is after completion of this training, then you may apply the job. You have some coding skills are also there. Then you have to apply the developer jobs. You may apply the admin job also, right? So every day nowadays, every company is asking you have the cloud skills. They're asking directly. You have the cloud skills, then they are given the jobs, right? After completion of my training, then you have to apply the jobs. Yes, I have the AWS skills are there, then you can apply the jobs. Then you are getting better salary also. You have also, you are studying the BTech means you are the coding skills also there. Then you may apply jobs for the developer jobs. See, once you complete the course, I'm showing this one also. I'm showing this one also. See, wait. That is this one, not this one. Yes, wait. AWS introduction. Yes, this one. See, friends, once you are completing this course, then after completion of my course, then you may attempt the global certification exam. That's why I'm saying that at the completion of the training, I'm providing the AWS terms. On the AWS terms, when you are attempting the global certification, like you may attempt the certification global, foundation certification, you may apply it. How previously they are asking the questions and answers also I'm providing. That is, you may attempt the exam AWS foundation level, or you may apply the exam AWS certified solution architect associate level, or you may apply the exam after completion of this AWS certified developer associate, AWS certified system ops administrator. I am providing the training up to this level, associate level I am providing, right? So you are the beginner, then you are the first time, then you apply the exam global certification foundation level, or you may apply associate level also. See, after completion of the associate level, you have some experience on the AWS, the industrial experience. Then you may go for the AWS certified solution architect professional level. Those who are completing AWS certified solution architect associate, they are eligible for professional level. And these guys also eligible for AWS certified DevOps engineer. After learning some tools, DevOps tools, then you may go for the professional. Directly, you don't go for the professional. So those who are completing AWS certified developer associate level, they may attempt the exam, that DevOps engineer, professional level. Those who are completing the certificate, that is a administrator, AWS certified system administrator, they are also eligible for DevOps engineer, professional. Directly, you don't go for the professional level. First, you can attempt the foundation level. For that, you need to pay the amount. For the in the AWS account also, you can register, and you have to register the dates, and you need to pay them, right? For associate level also, same procedure. So direct don't go for the professional jobs also. DevOps engineers don't apply if you are fresher. The experienced person in the AWS, then they may apply the jobs for the DevOps. To apply the DevOps engineer, then you need to learn the tools, Docker, Jenkins, Kubernetes, Terraforms, the tools you need to learn it. So at the beginner, at the fresher, that is, you know the knowledge about that AWS, the first we have to complete these things. First, you have to complete this one. Directly, if you are going this one, then you are not understanding the concepts also, right? See, the AWS is providing many more certifications apart from this. AWS is providing the big data specialization certificate, AWS certified Alexa skill builder, machine learning specialty certificate it is providing, advanced networking certifications, right? There are many certifications which are provided, specialized certifications they are providing, right? So after completion of my training, then you may attempt the exams. That is after preparation of the AWS terms, then you may attempt the exam, foundation level or associate level. I'm given the training is up to this level. Each and every day I explain with hands-on only. I'm given less weightage for the theory. Yes. If anyone have any questions? Anyone have any questions? Sai Prasad. Susil Kumar.
No, sir.
Yeah. Susil Kumar. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good evening. Sushil Kumar. Any questions?
No, sir, no question from my.
Fine, fine. You are from which background?
So myself persuaded MCA and afterwards having 6 years of working experience in C Sharp .NET Core.
Okay, you are doing job.
Uh,
You need to upgrade your skills and then you have to shift it to the cloud environment, right?
yes, yes.
Fine, fine. It's perfectly suitable. Fine, fine. Anyone have any questions regarding today's session? If no questions, then I'll end the session. Tomorrow we'll meet the same time. I have to explain how to launch and connect a Linux server tomorrow session. And also I have to explain how to transfer files from your laptop or desktop to the launched Linux server. Tomorrow session we have to discuss. Okay, thank you. I'll end the session. Tomorrow we'll meet.